Once we are done with the organization and selection of the desired interface, the first thing that needs to be checked and adjusted, before doing anything else, are the drawing units. In the Settings tab and the Drawing field, select the Drawing Units command to open the Drawing Settings window. In the Linear tab, select the input type and approximation digits, as well as the unit of measure. In the Angular tab, select the measurement unit of an angle and the approximate digits. When the desired settings are set, press OK to close the window.